Oh my god. What are you doing?
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah.
They're grooming each other, I guess.
Look how the shell goes there.
Yeah. So cool.
Hey, you wake up.
So we're at the Australian Zoo, or the Steve Irwin Zoo today. Last day of our extended road trip.
No.
Tara's sad because it's back to the regular life. My parents are in the background. I think they're enjoying this zoo a little bit more. It's a little more interactive here. You get to pet kangaroos, touch koalas, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's been a nice relaxing day. It's not that hot today, so it's easier to walk through the zoo. And yeah, that's our adventures for today. You'll see us petting and feeding kangaroos, touching koalas and all the other animals. So this one might be a little bit more better than the Melbourne Zoo, but the Melbourne Zoo was still fun. Right now we're just walking through Africa.
We're walking towards Bindi's Island.
Yeah, Bindi Irwin's Island. They have boa constrictors and all types of other cool stuff. So hopefully you guys see and learn something interesting today from this vlog. But yeah, it's very nice zoo. Very green.
The water lilies are so beautiful.
Yeah, water lilies.
Purple flowers.
Where?
The water,
Oh yeah, I see it.
the water lily is the flower, the lily pad is all surrounding.
Oh, lilies come from lily pads?
Yeah, water lilies.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. Guess it makes sense.
So you would think that people are getting attacked all the time because it's on the telly. It is not true at all. The great thing about cops, whether it's working with them here in the zoo or travelling into areas where they are found, is they are easy to avoid. Really easy. I can stand here and act like I'm some sort of legend, but I'm not. It's very, very basic. You could honestly train a monkey to feed a crocodile. And as luck would have it, we actually are going to be training a monkey to feed a crocodile today, because Giro was going to feed him. He's only ever fed him once before, and Graham's the only croc we have who's managed to bite a couple of people, so just to make Nero a little bit more nervous, we'll see what happens. Make sure you've got your cameras ready, or even worse, going into their water. You see, as soon as I touch his water, he starts coming over a fair bit quicker. They are incredibly territorial animals. He hates me being in his water. So now that I've really stirred him up and annoyed him, come on, fella, come on.
Whoa.
Come on.
That bird can be Look how shiny he is.
Missed that? You saw that? He came out pretty slowly there. But when he does meet visitors, he can come out from the tip of his nose to the base of his tail, and he can do that in the blink of an eye. No animal in the Australian bush can get away with a proper strike in time. But he strikes for a couple of reasons. So obviously like that, he strikes out for food, but he also strikes out for territory. So the way we're going to display out today, we're going to get Toby, jump back in the water, mate. Splash around.
I just got out.
Go on, mate, you're the trainer, show us down.
Come on, mate. So see, as soon as he sees
really
the
don't
water,
like it.
show you
Yeah.
just how territorial
Not
they
bad.
are. For a crocodile of Graham's size in the wild, he's starting to see large animals as food, and he's generally waiting for them to come and get a drink. You can imagine if this was dirty water, once he goes under it, you just can't see him. And that's what he's relying on to catch the food. Element of surprise. He'll sit a couple of inches under the water, and as soon as he thinks an animal is getting really, really close, he strikes out like that. Generally, he'll have his mouth open. He'll bite the animal. You see the size of those teeth that he's got in his mouth there? Good boy. Isn't he awesome?
Here's my dad feeding his first kangaroo.
Hold on, I can't do all this with my... I can't zoom in because I have this in my hand. There's a big baby in there. His head was poking out of his face.
I used to do that.
From Tara. Oh.
He's sleeping already. Almost.
Huh?
He's in heaven. Let's sit down.
Baby kangaroo.
Oh my gosh, my sister would die if she saw this.
Feeding our first kangaroo.
And then lucky eating it. Yeah, good boy.
Everybody left this one alone. He doesn't have anything to eat.
Huh?
That is, this one is super shiny. Oh, I thought it was on. Neat.
You can go days, weeks, even months without any tucker. Now this is a bit of a captive stroke, it's also quite shallow there, so with his stroke back like that, they'll see if we can't get a reaction out of him. Come and take some big chicken hole and feed him. But it's really nice, so come on, mate.
It's a meerkat. Little tiny animal. It's like a ferret. And now we're lucky enough to see the cheetah. It's like a female. I could be wrong.
So you guys are very lucky sort of see them so relaxed and grooming each other and just relaxing on the grass and everyone's all together. It's pretty cool.
Ever see a lemur before? In person?
Yeah,
Where?
I don't remember. I think she
Oh, you just leave them like they don't get
So we just lock the door so you guys came through and they can do whatever they like.
I'm not close and personal with a lemur. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, close and personal. He does. Today's been our lucky day. We've seen animals that we've never seen the last time we've come. We just saw a bunch of lemurs hopping around up close and personal. A red panda. All types of different things. Even two batches of kangaroos, a red kangaroo and some other kangaroo.
Oh gosh.
sissy. Yeah, I can get it. I'm doing it. Guess she's gonna have a baby soon.
This is our lucky day. We're seeing kangaroo mating.
Oh my god.
He's waiting.
He did it already.
Dude, he's like, stop looking at me.
He's probably gonna kick my ass.
He's like, hurry up. He's like, excuse me.
I didn't know they had nails in here. Whoa, sadly. I think he might be done because it's getting down. Oh my god.
They're running somewhere. Yeah.
But at night when they get bored.
Dingoes, you wouldn't be able to tell. They're playing too. Look at the tail wag.
What sort of food do they eat?
They get different types of meat, so chicken mince, beef mince, turkey mince. We give them chicken mince that's got crocodile bone in it.
That's what they were saying.
Yeah, I remember you told me.
Brisket bones, they get pig's ears. They get chicken, chicken frames, so everything that they need to keep their well, that's why they give them rabbits. While they keep like rabbits and stuff. Sometimes they love it so much they don't
Yeah, some people are all brothers and sisters, yeah.
Not playing. Trying to feed the other one.
No more than you like, Priya.
You happy you saw the dingoes that you wanted to see?
The dingo ain't my baby. Yeah, they look like, what do you call those dogs? German Shepherd kind of. Yeah. Oh, my dingoes. I'm happy for my kangaroos. They're so obedient.
Yeah, they are super.
Yeah, exactly. Better than a dog.
One and his two sisters, and we're getting ready to go up top for bedtime and dinner.
Best time of the day. Let's go. Have a lovely trip home, guys.
You too, thank
Thanks
you.
everyone. Good boy, Archie. Let's go.
So that concludes our day at the late great Steve Irwin Zoo. I had fun, Tara had fun.
Lots of fun.
We were super lucky today, got to see, I think I said it before, but anyway, a lot more animals that we didn't see before.
That's awesome.
My dad got to see lots of stuff that he never saw before. The old folks coming in. Old folks got to see a lot of stuff today. Did you guys enjoy the zoo?
Yep, I saw all the Australian animals that I wanted to see.
My mom got to feed and
Good
pet a
day.
kangaroo. My dad did.
Wrestled a kangaroo.
Lemurs.
That, what do you call that thing? Alligator. He wrestled an alligator.
Alligators, all types of animals they haven't got to touch or see. Koalas. So
Yep.
it was a good day today at Steve Irwin Zoo.
Steve Irwin.
That concludes today's adventure.